Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's time to unbox Huawei Y7 Prime, which is the new mid-ranger from Huawei this year. And so let's go ahead and unbox and see what's inside the box and turn on the phone as well. So let's take the lid off, and there we go. We have the phone here. So we have got 6.26-inch dewdrop display. So as you can see, we have got a notch here, 16 megapixel front camera, 4000 milliamp hour battery inside, and finally there is 64 gig of internal storage and 3 gigs of RAM inside here. So we'll just put it aside for a while and go through the accessories. So we have got a screen protector here, and SIM ejector tool, start guide, and finally we have a back cover here as well. So that's nice of Huawei to include this. And then let's move on and see inside the box. We have our charger. This is a 5-watt 2 ampere charger here, charging cable, no USB-C, and finally we have our headphones here as well. So that's the unboxing, and that's everything that's inside the box. So there's nothing in there. So let's put this all aside for a while and take a look at the phone itself. So this is a brown color here, and what's it exactly called? It's exactly called amber brown. So this is amber brown, faux leather back, which is really nice touch from Huawei. I really like this back here. Let's take this off. So that's a very nice touch from Huawei, and it looks really nice. It feels really nice in the hand, gives it a very executive feel as well. So I really like this. We have our fingerprint scanner here, and we have our camera module here. We have a 13 megapixel sensor, and then a 2 megapixel depth sensor as well to produce those bokeh backgrounds. So that's here. We've got power button, volume rocker here, and let's take the front cover off as well. So again, this is an IPS LCD panel here, 4000 milliamp hour battery inside. It's running on Snapdragon 450 processor, which is an octa-core processor, and the display is 6.26 inches with the resolution of 720 by 1520, and the pixel density is 269 ppi. So quite sharp, not as much as some high-end phones, but still very good. So let's turn this phone on. I really like this bag actually. It feels really nice, and it will also protect the bag from any scratches or anything like that. It feels really nice in the hand too. So that's good here. We've got our audio jack here on the top, another mic I guess, and normal charging port down here, and speakers. So this is a really nice phone. For the price, it's really good. It feels really great in the hand. I'm a fan of this faux leather material. I can't get enough of it really. So there we are, back, skipping through all the initial process, and there you go. That's the screen. It looks beautiful. We have a notch here. If you can get past that, it's a beautiful display. Let's go in the settings here and see what it's running on. So we go here. So this is running on EMUI version 8.2.0, Android version 8.1, and we've got 3 gigs of RAM here, and a lot of storage, 64 gigs of storage inside here. So that's cool, and I'm really looking forward to the 4000 milliamp hour battery. With this display and this resolution and this much battery, I'm expecting this to be a battery champion and produce some great battery results as well. One last thing that I wanted to show you was that it runs all the Google apps here, so you don't have to worry about that. It will hopefully keep on getting Android updates or security updates as well. So that's about it from this video, guys. This was unboxing of Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. Now I will be using it for a few days, and then I will post a review video. In the meantime, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments so that I can include the answer in my review, or I can answer you straight away in the comments while I'm using this phone. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.